Okay, see, good morning for the student 10 AB Physics Chapter 4 definition and type is the contact force. Non-contact force already complete in the standard 9. Now in this chapter the rotational motion. Before rotational motion, the translational motion. The straight line of the body is called translational motion. Example, car or train. Figures here. Rotational motion, if the body is pivoted at one point and due to some force at some other point begins to rotate about the axis passing through the fixed point, the motion of the body is called rotational motion. Example for the open or closing drawer, water tap, car's wheel, string, etc. Now for this here, for the moment of force, another name is the torque. Moment of force or torque on a rigid body is defined as the product of magnitude of the force and its perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation of the body. It is also known as the turning effect of the force. Distance is the OP is the arc, force is applied according to the definition. Moment of force or torque, force into perpendicular distance of force from F into PO. So this is for the F into R. Factors depend upon only the two factor magnitude of the force F and the distance of the force from the point of rotation R. Next is the moment of force or torque is a vector quantity, and for this direction is the anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction positive moment, clockwise direction negative moment. SI unit Newton meter, MKS kgf meter means kilogram, force meter, and scissors unit the dyne centimeter. Relation between the 1 Newton meter, 1 Newton into 1 m. So 10:5 dyne into 100 centimeter. So 1 Newton since the 10:5 dyne and 1 meter is the 100 and 100 is the 10:2. So 10:5 into 10:2 dyne centimeters, the 10:7 dyne centimeter. 1 nm is the 10:7 dyne centimeter. Next is the next page for the some practical example moment of force. Opening or closing the drawer, seesaw, string wheel, handle of the hand flower, and in order to loosen or tighten a board of handle of the wrench, spanner, etc. Principle of moment in rotational motion in condition of equilibrium, algebraic sum of all moments acting on a rigid body is 0 and body is not changed in the position. Body is not changed in the position is called equilibrium. Example, physical balance or beam balance. See the next phase for the verification. The moment of couple. Moment of couple is equal to the product of both force and the perpendicular distance between the two forces. Moment of couple is equal to force into couple arm F into D. Distance is the A to B is the D. For the force is the F. SI unit, MKS unit, scissor unit, same as the moment of force, Newton meter, kgf. meter and die in centimeter. Center of gravity. Center of gravity is the imaginary point through which the entire weight of the body, irrespective the position of the body. See the one for the center of gravity in the figure. Next is the centripetal force. Minimum force required to keep circular motion of a body is called centripetal force. According to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. M is the mass of the body or object, A is the acceleration. So centripetal acceleration A is equal to v square upon r. So mv square upon r, this is for the centripetal force formula. Centripetal force towards the center of a body, it is a real force. Example, for the earth around to the sun on a very circular path, and in atom electron revolves around the nucleus on circular path, etc. Centrifugal force of fictitious force peculiar to a particle moving on a circular path. Centrifugal force far away the center of a body, it is pseudo force, not a real force. Centrifugal force and centripetal force, the formula and SI unit and CGS unit is the same, Newton and Dyne respectively. Now uniform circular motion. When a particle moves on a circular path with a constant speed, only the speed is constant, velocity is not constant, its motion is called uniform circular motion. See the A, B, C, D, V is the speed. In uniform circular motion, speed is constant but velocity is different because different direction. Example, same earth around the sun, moon around the earth, electron around the nucleus in an atom. Now next is the non-uniform circular motions. The opposite definition of the uniform circular motion. When a particle moves circular path with a variable speed, its motion is called non-uniform circular motion. The V1, V2, V3, and the body or objects, example, the body or objects, velocity vector is always tangent to the circle. The speed and angular speed of the body or object are not constant. So see the next page is for the figuring for the your WhatsApp message for the diagram of the center of gravity as well as verification of moment of couple.